guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Bumble and Bubble BB Curl. I am really super excited. This miniature set comes with a shampoo, a 3-in-1 conditioner, and a reactivator spray. So I'm thinking that if it can simplify my hair care routine, and it does really well, having only 3 products as opposed to like 5 or 6 is so much better. I'm a little bit under the weather, so excuse my boogie nose accent. I'm excited to see how this works. If you guys enjoy these sort of videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can see all my awesome reviews. And I love this channel because we're learning to grow mentally, physically, and spiritually. So let's get into this review. Oh, those cute little bottles. I love when the shampoo and conditioner come in actual bottles and not like those little paper samples. Because if I don't use all of it, I can use it again. But look how cute. These are like it's a little mini set. On the bottle, it says it's for smooth, frizz-free curls, free of sulfate cleansers. The conditioner can also be used as a co-wash. And yeah, this is just for re-moisturizing your curls. So I'm excited. Today is like such a busy day. I have an event. So let's hope that this goes perfect. If not, we're just gonna look crazy, and that's okay. I'm gonna be putting these products to the test for real because I've actually been straightening my hair for the last couple of weeks, so it might be a little bit of a problem. But getting my hair back to its natural curl state is gonna be the real test of using these new products, so we'll see how it goes. The shampoo smelled really good. I'm lathering my scalp here, but there isn't a lot of suds. So I was a little bit confused. I'm like, okay, is my hair being cleaned or is it not? Did I use enough shampoo or not? But what I really think it is that this is just a cleansing shampoo. These curly hair shampoos typically don't work the same way as like straight hair shampoo would. So once you have your scalp really clean, the soap will slide down the rest of your hair. So you don't really have to put shampoo on your hair physically. But I don't know, there's something about having all the suds that make you feel like you're doing something, but you're really not. It's doing the same thing. I could tell that my hair was going to be moisturized and not dry after this wash. I felt very, very good about where we were at in the process at this point. I put a little bit of conditioner in. I was a little bit concerned that there might not be enough conditioner for the washing process and styling, but it actually worked out very well. A little bit goes a long way, and I actually felt so confident in it once it was in my hair that I started combing my hair in immediately. Sometimes, or majority of the time, I like to leave the product in my hair for like 5-10 minutes to really let it saturate. But I don't know what it was. These products worked so well that I literally started combing my hair out immediately. And look, it just got all the knots out. It's never that simple for me. But with this product, it was very, very simple. I always like to check to see how much fallout there is because sometimes it will go so well the first time, but the second time I go to wash my hair will fall out in clumps. I usually take a shower while the conditioner is in my hair and then comb it out, but this time I combed it out and then took a shower with the conditioner in my hair. I don't know why I did that, but it just worked out that way. Now I'm gonna use this t-shirt towel thing. I don't know what it's called. I always call it the wrong thing because it's not a hair towel. It's a t-shirt material hair wrap and it eliminates frizz, so I love it. And I also love it more than my microfiber towel. That's why I don't know what this is particularly called because I have both. All right, I'm out of the shower, and one of the first things I noticed after doing the conditioner is how soft my hair felt. When I tell you my hair feels like silky, smooth, soft, it feels so good. The shrinkage is crazy. But hey, the shrinkage is always crazy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this reactivator spray just so we can use it, see what it does, how it feels, how it smells. And then we're gonna use the same conditioner to style the hair and then let it dry. Oh, it's creamy. The consistency is like a creamy, milky spray. It's not just like a watery consistency. Make sure we get like this back. Just making sure that's in there. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like a really high-end hair product. But we're gonna go ahead and just use like, I want to say like 1 or 2 dots of this, like literally like boop and boop. Because my hair does not need a lot of hair product for it to do well. Honestly, the less product, the better. Because when I do too much, my hair gets like really crunchy. So I put like 2 dots and I'm just gonna like go from the bottom and work my way up. And the same on this side. Some prayer hands. Yeah, we're gonna need a little bit more than that. All right, now we have to just leave the hair alone, let it do what it does. I did soak it in this wrap and it really will take up majority of the water. Love this thing. Best purchase ever. It holds so much more water than you think. But it makes a difference when it comes to styling my hair because it gives me so much more definition than if I don't take the water out. So, because day one hair should never look like this. So my hair dried within an hour, and that's why I like using that hair wrap because it gets all the moisture out and it's able to allow the products to do what they need to do. But y'all, you guys can't tell me that my hair is not giving. It is giving aura. This little bundle is about to be my new vibe. My hair should not look this good. It should not look this good. And just so you guys know, because I have 3C, a little bit of 4A hair in the middle, I'm never not going to have frizz. Like, it's not a thing. There's some people who can do whatever they have to do to not have frizz. Like, if you literally touch my hair, frizz. There's no going around it. But how beautiful my curls look. They look back to their healthy, normal self. Because I was scared. I was straightening my hair, and I didn't think it was going to come back. And it bounced back. No, because my hair looks so freaking good, y'all. I hate giving ratings on like day one because what happens is that a week or 2 down the line when I wash my hair again, sometimes like I've used products, I reviewed them, and then when I go to wash my hair, clumps of hair is coming out. So I don't know how my hair is gonna react after having the product in my hair for a long period of time. So I'm for now gonna say that I'm gonna give the products 9 out of 10. Shampoo, conditioner. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that seeing me use the product is very helpful to your routine. Comment below what you think. Do you think that it could have done better? If there's any other products that you think would do better, comment down below. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.